Hello and welcome to Rhythms TV channel. I am Asmita. Today, we are going to learn best idioms for kids with examples, easy explanations. Just yesterday, while it was pouring outside, my friend exclaimed, "It's raining cats and dogs." My little one, puzzled, turned to me and asked, "Mama, can cats and dogs fall from the sky?" That got me thinking about how crucial it is to teach these phrases, called idioms, to kids. Idioms for kids are like tools that can make their creative writing more exciting and colorful. Just like the raining cats and dogs saying, it doesn't really mean animals are falling from the sky. Learning idioms can help kids express themselves in fun and imaginative ways, making their stories and writing come alive. Number idioms for kids. Piece of cake. When we say something is a piece of cake, we mean it's super easy, like taking a bite of that yummy treat. Example, solving this puzzle was a piece of cake. Two heads are better than one. This means that when you work with someone, your ideas can become even better. Like if you and your buddy team up for a project, you'll have double the awesome ideas. Example, let's work on our science project together. You know what they say, two heads are better than one. Third time's a charm. Ever try to do something 3 times and finally succeed on the third attempt? That's when we say, third time's a charm. It's like magic. The third try brings luck and success. Example, don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Remember, the third time's a charm. 10 out of 10. When you get a perfect score on a test, you can proudly say, I got 10 out of 10. It's like saying you nailed it completely. Example, I got all the answers correct on the quiz 10 out of 10. 4-leaf clover. When something is as lucky as finding a 4-leaf clover, we say it's lucky like that magical plant. Example, finding a parking spot on a busy day is like discovering a 4-leaf clover. On cloud 9. Being on cloud 9 means you're super duper happy, like you're floating on a cloud way up in the sky. Example, after winning the game, Jane felt like she was on cloud 9. First come, first served. This idiom means whoever arrives first gets what they want before the others. Example, let's hurry to the front of the line, it's first come, first served for the best seats. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. This idiom says that two options are basically the same, just like having 6 cookies or half a dozen cookies. Example, we can play board games or watch a movie, it's really 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. 3 strikes and you're out. This saying is used when someone messes up 3 times and faces consequences. Example, Tim missed hitting the ball 3 times in a row. 3 strikes and you're out, buddy. Count your chickens before they hatch. Sometimes, we plan things that might not happen. This idiom reminds us not to get too excited about something until it actually happens. Example, let's not plan the celebration until we are sure we've won. We shouldn't count our chickens before they hatch. Animal idioms for kids. Let the cat out of the bag. It's like revealing a secret before the right time. Example, Sarah accidentally let the cat out of the bag when she mentioned the surprise party before the big day. Hold your horses. It means slow down and be patient. So, if you're asking for something repeatedly, a grown-up might tell you to hold your horses. Example, I know you're excited about the movie, but hold your horses, we need to finish our chores first. Bird's eye view means you're seeing things from high up and getting a clear picture of everything. Example, from the top of the mountain, we had a bird's eye view of the entire valley below. Fish out of water. It describes someone who's in a situation that feels strange or uncomfortable for them. Example, when I tried dancing at the ballet class, I felt like a fish out of water because I'd never danced before. Busy as a bee. It means they're working really hard and staying active, just like those buzzing insects. Example, Grandma is always busy in her garden, just like a bee collecting nectar from flowers. Like a bull in a china shop. If someone is moving around clumsily and might break things, we say they're like a bull in a china shop. Example, when Tim tried to help in the delicate pottery store, he knocked over a vase. He was like a bull in a china shop. Horse of a different color. Imagine you're talking about cats, and suddenly someone starts talking about horses. A completely different topic that doesn't match the first one. Example, we were talking about math, and suddenly Jack started talking about his favorite book. He was discussing a horse of a different color. Sly as a fox. Foxes are known for being clever and tricky. It means they're really smart and can outwit others. Example, Lucy figured out the puzzle before anyone else. She's as sly as a fox when it comes to solving tricky problems. Cry over spilled milk. It means don't get upset about something that has already happened and can't be changed. Example, I accidentally dropped my ice cream, but there's no use crying over spilled milk. I'll just get another one. Barking up the wrong tree. It means you're looking for something or blaming the wrong person. Example, when I asked Lily about my missing toy, I was barking up the wrong tree. She didn't know anything. Links of other videos are given in description. In next video, we will learn some more idioms that are very important for Manthan and scholarship exam. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.